Do you want to make some noise today? Let's go over to the table and learn how to make this simple project. For this, we only need a couple things. 2 craft sticks, a rubber band, a straw, some tape, and of course something to cut with, but be very careful. So step number 1, the craft stick and rubber band. You're gonna put the rubber band lengthwise down the craft stick, and what you should see is something like this. The next thing we wanna do is cut off 2 pieces of our straw that is just about the same width as the craft stick itself. Again, be very careful with scissors, and if you need help, ask somebody. Step number 2, take the pieces of the straw and put them underneath one side of your rubber band. And it should look something like that. It also keeps the straw pieces from running away on us. All right, now we do the second piece, and we should have something that looks like this. Kind of looks like a bridge. Third step is taking our last craft stick and smooshing it together. So we should have like a rubber band and straw sandwich. The very last thing is we need 2 pieces of tape to secure the whole thing to keep it from falling apart on us. And we will wrap the tape around just the ends. It doesn't have to be beautiful either. And when we're done with that step, this is what we should have. So when you blow through it, it should make a noise like this. Your parents are gonna love me. So that's only half of the fun. The other half is the steam behind it all. Let's go to the board and we'll talk about it. Okay, so why is this thing making this noise with these pieces? It's actually pretty cool. We have our sandwich. Let's just imagine that these black things here are the craft sticks.
Inside of the craft stick, a rubber band, which I'm going to make it look a little squiggly.
Our straw pieces here and here. See the black craft sticks? Well, they're acting sort of like bread in a sandwich, squishing everything together a little bit, but not too much, and making sure that everything that's on the inside does not fall out. Our straws, these green pieces, what they're doing is giving a little bit of space in between to make sure it doesn't go too far and squish our rubber band, because that is where the cool stuff is actually happening. You see, when we blow air through here, because there's a little bit of space, it allows the rubber band that is tight, but not too tight, enough room to wiggle and wave around. And that is where the science is happening. When things are wiggling and waving around, they create vibrations. And vibrations, you may know, create sound. Think about a guitar player when they're playing the strings of a guitar. Have you ever looked really close and noticed how they're wiggling and waving like this? That's how they make sounds. That is the steam of it all. But I have one more question. What happens if you move your straws closer together? I don't know, but maybe you should experiment with it. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.